buy eBay crap either. Get Texas. Alright, so today on Hoodie Brothers, we pulled the rockers out of the 240 because we just got a Trunion kit from Texas Speed from our buddy Shaw. Yeah, we're pressing them out over here. Come check it out. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to grab yourself a 15/16 socket and ½ inch. And pretty much you just press it out. So 15/16 will hold the housing, while the ½ inch is gonna push the bearings out for us.
Yeah, so that middle inner will just slide right into that other socket.
Yep.
Exactly.
That one was easy.
Oh, just like that.
Yep. And what you got left is the housing, and well, when we get to it, we'll press the new bearings and stuff in. So now we're going back to installing the Trunion kit. So you got two needle bearings. It comes with some washers, and take your old housing, and well, you're gonna want one of these too, a new shaft or a roller, whatever you want to call it. Don't matter.
Okay.
So
He was close to this.
first you gotta take one bearing. There's no words on this side. There's words on that side, right? Make sure the words go out. It's pretty important. Take one of your washers they give you, put it in the vise. Voila. Press that one in. Make sure you go until it hits the washer. So you got one end, then you take this guy, stick her in there, and make sure the words are out. Washer on this side, on the shaft. Take this one, and you try to line it up as best as you can, pretty much. And put it back in the vise. Press her in. And yeah, there you go. So, that. It's in there.
Be right for the snap
Bearings,
ring.
and then we'll do this at the end. Got a bunch of snap rings that go on the end. And yeah. So that's that. We got all the bearings pressed in. Got these little snap rings. Pretty much just put these on, and that's all there is to it, and you got a Trunion kit.
If the full kit comes.
Yeah, we are actually missing 2 needle bearings, so we can't do our last one. So we contacted our dealer, and well, we're gonna get that sorted out. But so in the meantime, we're gonna come over here. This guy, you got a spring compressor. Put that on there, you know, press the spring down. So we got some PAC racing springs. They're 0.625 lift single springs. They're not duals. So that'll go great with the MS3 cam. Because currently, right now, which I should have done before I put the heads on, but we have stock springs in there, and they're not rated for that cam. Let's say that. But we also got chrome ollie push rods as well in here. After we did the Trunion kit, here we are with springs. We've already done most of them, but PAC racing springs, stock spring, racing spring. You can tell they're a little different. One's a little beefier, one's taller. So these will work good with the new cam. So we got this guy, spring compressor, and a compression tester. And pull out the valve. Put that to the cylinder, and then you put air to the cylinder, which will hold up your valves. So you can pull off the retainer and replace the spring without your valves dropping. Because that would really suck, wouldn't it? But yeah, so once you do that, thread this guy in.
Take out your spark plug.
Yep, we're gonna do that. Okay, so you gotta have an air compressor, obviously. There's done. Get some leverage because they are tight. Make sure you have a buddy because you can't do it really yourself. Maybe a magnet. Sit on the retainer and lift it up, pull the valve out.
Do you have a new valve? Or spring?
Spring. Really awesome. Good ball. That one's tight. That one's good. Keep your hand over there so it could bounce.
Hold on. You're gonna have to go down, I think, on that. Yeah, that's not a lot.
Push it down. There you go.
Well, that suits.
That's the PAC racing kit, 1219. Get them on Texas speed. Good for 0.65 of lift. So with my cam, got a Magic Stick MS3, and that'll just work out awesome. The cam is rated for 0.600 of lift. So yeah, 25 over, be good.